Okay, this is a short video. There's two things. One thing, I need to correct my stupid mistake. So, correction. In the video of, let me check. In the video of 6/17/2020, section 1.6. In the section 1.6, let me open it. Section 1.6 at 12:42. Okay, at 12 minutes 42 seconds. That example was to solve the inequality involving absolute value function. Okay, that's what's an example. So for this absolute value inequality involving absolute value, you first change it to be -5 less than 1 minus 4x less than 5, and then you subtract 1 from 3 sides. This is subtract 1, and then we need to divide this inequality by -4. So here, this is the correction. This place is -6/-4. In my previous video, I put a -6/4. I miss a negative sign. And the middle term, -4x/-4 is x. 4/-4. This part is correct. And because you divide the inequality by a negative number, you change the direction. Okay, so 4/-4 is -1 x. And this part, -6/-4 is a 3/2. Okay, so the solution set is -1 3/2. This is a correct one. My previous, the solution from -1 to -3/2 was wrong. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, I don't know. I remember that here is -4. This place I forgot this negative sign. Okay, so this is the right one. Okay, that is a correction. It is in the video with the title section 1.6 at 12 minutes 42 seconds. And one student asked me to do more examples about some type of problem. That problem in the video, the same date, 6/17/2002, and section 1.5, last example. Okay, so you can go to that place. It is at 34 minutes 0 seconds, sometimes like this. Okay, you can find it. I'm going to do 2 more examples like this. Section 1.5. Okay, let's see more examples. Let's check, if -4 less than x less than 0, find a and b such that a is less than 1/2 x less than b. This is a simple one. Okay, so we're looking for a and b, so that start from -4 less than x less than 0, we can get a less than 1/2 x less than b. How do we do that? We start from this part. We're going to transform the middle term so that it is equal to the middle term of the target inequalities. So here you have x. This place you have 1/2 x. You just multiply this inequality by 1/2. So you multiply the given condition by 1/2. Okay, Negative 4 times 1/2 is positive, so you preserve the direction. Negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 2. 1/2 x is 1/2 x. 0 times 1/2 is 0. So A is negative 2. B is 0. And that's it. Let's do more examples. For example, if we know if 0 less than x less than 4, do the same question, find AB such that negative 0, 4, A less than 2x and plus 3 less than B. Okay? Okay, so here the target, the middle term is x. This middle term is 2x plus 3. We're going to do manipulation or algebraic operation so that we can get 2x plus 3. How do we get 2x plus 3? We first multiply this inequality by 2, the coefficient 2. We multiply inequality by a positive number. We get the same direction. And then we add the inequality by 3. Addition always preserves the direction. So we add 3. All 3 parts, left, middle, right. All 3 parts add 3. Okay? Then you check A is 3. B is 11. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 11. Okay? Another example, one more example. If we have negative 3 less than x less than 3, find AB such that A is less than 1 minus 2x and less than B. Okay, so let's check. Here x, here I want 1 minus 2x. So we multiply the inequality by negative 2. Here, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Okay, this time I remember we need to multiply all 3 parts by negative 3. And because you do the multiplication with a negative number, you change the direction. Okay, so that's the first step. And second, here there's a 1. So you add a 1 for all 3 sides. 7, 1 minus 2x, negative 5. Okay, so negative 5 less than this, less than 7. So A, check here, A is the smallest position, smallest side. It's less than all other 2 sides. And here B is 7. So A is negative 5 and B is a 7. Okay. Let's do a complex one. A complex one is like this. If negative 3 less than x less than 0, we're looking for find AB such that A less than negative 3, 1 over x plus 4 less than B. Okay, so again, we're going to handle x so that we get 1 over x plus 4. So first you add 4. Right? You add 4 for all 3 parts. So negative 3 plus 4 is 1. Here's x plus 4. Here's 4. Check here. You know that this is a positive expression. X plus 4 is greater than 1, so it's always positive. And we know that if you have 2 positive numbers, then when you flip them, 1 over a, the large number has small reciprocal. Okay, so when you flip them, Why are we interested in the reciprocal? Because here we are going to flip. So if you have the positive part, you flip them, it's always like this. Okay, so let's check. When we flip them, we get 1 over x plus 4, and here is 1 over 4. The reciprocal of 1 is 1, and you change the direction. Okay, so here you see that a is 1 over 4, and b is 1. A is 1 over 4, and b is 1, and that's it. Okay, so the practice for this type of problems